The table below shows the number of students in each grade level at Elgin Elementary. The cafeteria counted the 2 grade levels with the smallest number of students. What is the total number of students in those 2 grade levels? Okay, did a question like this yesterday. So let's talk about it. There's 5 different grade levels, and the cafeteria counted the 2 grade levels with the smallest number of students. What is the total number of students in those 2 grade levels? Well, I want to find the smallest number of students. So we're going to look and we're going to make like a little place value chart. Hundreds, tens, ones. I only have 3 place values, so my highest place value is my hundreds. And so I'm going to start with my hundreds, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That doesn't tell me anything. Those are all the same number, and I can't decide if that number is larger or smaller. Excuse me, Miss Garza is tired. Based off of just my hundreds place value. So I need to move to my tens. I have a 2, a 2, a 3, a 3, and a 1. Well, I can rule out stuff because I have a 1. They're not all the same. 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. The 1 is going to be my smallest, but I'm still looking for one more. I'm looking for the next smallest. So I have a 2, a 2, a 3, and a 3. Well, my 3s can get ruled out because they're bigger than 2. So I have a 2 and a 2, so 20, 20. And then I'm going to look at my 1's place. I have a 1 and a 5. 1 is smaller than 5. So the 2 smallest numbers are 121 and 119. Now, you've done the first step of this problem. I want to find the total number of students in those 2 grade levels. If I'm wanting to find the total number of students, do you have a total? No, if you're wanting to find the total, you don't have a total. Total number of students. I don't know this. What is the total number? The question is asking you to find that, but I do know my parts. In kinder, they have 121 students, and in 4th grade, they have 119 students. Now I can add them together because I'm looking for my total. I can add them together. So 121 plus 119. I'm going to do the break apart method. That's 100 plus 20 plus 1. 100 plus 10 plus 9. 9 plus 1, that's 10. So I'm going to put a 0 here and put my 10 up there. 10 plus 20 is 30. Plus 10 more is 40. 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 40 plus 0 is 240. This is the total number of students in the 2 grade levels with the smallest number of students.